Stinker. Yeah, that's your name. That's some supersonic suicide. Man, I thought about the stinker punch was bad. Man, that's got nothing on you. Woo, you just nasty. Nasty-licious. You need to go home and wash up. Twice. Whoa! Who's that guy?
Thanks, Skip. Don't thank me. I learned a lot more from you than you ever learned from me.
You're right. That's right. That's correct. That's right. You're right. That's right.
It's an honor to be here. Hook 'em up.
You ready, wingman?
Roger that.
Honorary Jolly Wrench. How's that feel, Dusty?
Feels great. Back in the saddle again. Hey, Skipper?
Well, they didn't have these fancy toys the last time I did this.
Nothing to it. They hook you up, you nod to the shooter over there,
And hang on.
last one, back to prop wash 5.
You're on.
Remember, I'm very, very happy now because that was a long movie. That's right, called Planes. That's right, called Planes. That's right. So that was a short video. You're on. You went to Dallas, Texas today. You're on. Remember, I'm so happy now because that was a short video. Remember, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow on Friday, September 6th, before Halloween by Gas Gas.